Rick Jones here with today's Tuesday 2-minute tip. I am big on hoodoos. What you might ask are hoodoos. I regularly ask people, who do you know that I need to know? That's a hoodoo. I ask everyone this question. I want to grow my network each and every day. And the best way to do this is to have someone that knows me introduce me to someone that they equally know well. People who know and respect me will be glad to introduce me to someone that I want to meet with. I often ask friends and business colleagues to connect me with people that they and I feel can bring me value and that I can bring value to them. But the key to this is you also have to be the guy who will reciprocate. You have to be willing to share your contacts, your friends, and your colleagues, your hoodoos. So, who do you know that I need to know? Let me know. No pun intended. And that's your Tuesday 2-minute tip.